Can a California landlord give a 60-day notice to terminate tenancy on a month-to-month tenancy, even if their tenants are all fully paid with rent? There are no issues. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I get this question pretty much all the time from landlords, and I get it also from renters as well too, from the TikTok channel. And if you've seen a lot of my videos here, I'm always going to tell a landlord it depends. Okay, it depends on where the tenancy is located at and what type of tenancy and rental relationship is there, because some landlords are subject to California's Tenants Protection Act of 2019, also known as AB 1482, the original Tenants Protection Act. TPA has been amended a couple of times since it was enacted in 2019. Some landlords are subject to just cause after a tenant's resided there for 12 months, basically. Other landlords might be subject to a local eviction control ordinance, and it applies day one. For example, the city of Concord, California, applies to you day one. No matter, once you give the keys away, the ordinance is effective, okay? And I've had to tell owners of single family homes, condos, that, yeah, you're subject to the act. They just amended their act back in, I think, August of last year, and they're trying to kind of claw back some of those protections back there. So, moral of the story is, it really depends where the property's at. It's not a straightforward answer without asking a landlord a couple of different questions, whether or not they have certain exemptions or disclosures in the rental agreement. If you're subject to my Tenants Protection Act, a lot of single family homeowners, single dwelling owners, don't have the proper exemption to be exempt from the TPA, so they're subject to the act, so they need just cause. If you're not subject to just cause eviction requirements under the Tenants Protection Act or a local eviction control ordinance, then yes, a landlord could give you a 60-day notice to end a month-to-month tenancy for no legal reason whatsoever, okay? And many landlords are exempt from listing costs. So even if you know your tenant didn't do anything wrong, they've never paid rent late, or something like that, basically, if there are no other restrictions, the law does allow to terminate a tenancy without listing costs, okay? Other landlords might be subject to just cause, so that's kind of the moral of the story here. So landlords, if you're in the Northern California area and you're contemplating terminating a tenancy, no matter if it's what your tenant's doing something wrong or they're not doing anything wrong, but you may want to sell a property or there's some other circumstances to consider, feel free to reach out. Each situation is going to be highly factual, highly different, and it's recommended that landlords don't go about terminated a tenancy alone without at least consulting with landlord's counsel or your attorney if you're choosing here. So we're here to help you out if you're in the Northern California area. Put your comments, questions down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.